It's your girl Hermie. So, I started off with just the bleach, y'all. I was just going straight into this video. So, mind y'all, this is not like a tutorial or anything. If you know how to do bleach, you know how to do bleach. I'm not one of those, gurus like that. I'm not a wig guru like that. I just do my hair for fun. So basically, I just propped up my wig and I spaced it out. And there was this video that I seen on TikTok where literally like I was plucking the hair that was like visible in the inside. I plucked those out so the bleach wasn't gonna like get on it. And then I put the bleach on. Simple thing, simple thing. That's all. But most of this is gonna be me coming in talking, and then afterwards I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little some music in the background, y'all. This is my first time doing a voiceover, so please do not give me too much, y'all. I'm trying. You know how weird it is just to talk to a microphone and post something up. But yeah, at first my bleach wasn't like that. It was very very like watery and stuff, so I had to put more powder in. But like I said, I'm not a wig guru. I just know how to do my hair. That's it. So I did leave the bleach on for about 20 minutes, and 20 to 22 minutes. But the bleach and the developer I used, of course I used the BW, I think that's what it's called, and I had a 40 developer. And actually the wig took a good little amount for it, so leaving it for 20 minutes. And yeah, so that's basically what I did. All right, y'all. So in this part, this is me just washing the hair, the bleach out. Like I said, I kept it in for like 20 minutes, 22 minutes. And this is where I just washed the hair, and I added my shampoo. Y'all, let me tell you about the shampoo. I was running low, and on top of that, I didn't have a car at the moment, so I just had to use whatever I had to use. And it was a good amount that was left in that shampoo bottle. So I was able to use it. All right, y'all. I was able to use it. Like I said, I'm not no wig guru. I just do this for myself. Okay? But yeah. All right, y'all. So from here, this is when I started plucking the wig to my hairline. Yeah, I did feel like I overplucked it, but it's okay. You basically will see the results in the back. Like I said, I am not a wig guru. I just watch things on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube, and I just apply it to what I know. And this part, you guys basically seen that this is real time of me plucking it, and then I sped it up again. Sorry. Yeah. So this is me plucking it in real time, and then I went ahead and plucked it And this is where I'm going to speed it up. So yeah, I try not to stay in the same place, but the way how that, probably it was in my eyes, or the way how it was just sitting on that on the wig head. Y'all, please do not give me too much for my wig head. Don't give me too much for my little mannequin head. You know, the girls that get it. The girls that don't. But yeah, so basically that's much hair that came out when it came to plucking in and all that. So yeah, just enjoy me plucking the hair. There's nothing much really to say, y'all. Yeah. All right, y'all, I'm back. And ooh, girl. So, y'all, this is where I was really being like, I look like a crackhead, y'all. Please, like my non-existent edges and stuff. But I started to slick back my edges, whatever edges I had. I started to like slick it back. So with my hair was already in cornrows. It's just I do have locks in. I started my locks probably like 2 months ago, and I really wanted a flat dome for my wig. I'm over here saying, "Don't Lord," but yeah, I wanted my wig to be flat, of course, and I've changed it so I can get it even flatter. So with this method, y'all, I went ahead and did the 2-cap method, and with the 2-cap, it really helped me out. And I wasn't really worried about, you know, just keeping one wig cap on, and then whenever I need to reinstall my hair, I have that other wig, you know, prepared and stuff. So y'all, I couldn't find my scissors at all. Let me just tell y'all that I couldn't find my scissors at all. So I was like, you know what, Hermie, use your razors, girl. Just use your razors. It's okay. So basically, y'all, this is self-explanatory. Sprayed down the wig cap, left it on for like 20 minutes. I think it was 15 maybe. And with my sides, I made sure that the wig was flat. I did add my hair glue for the sides so I can keep them down, because I have this tendency where my sides tends to lift. So y'all, look at my fan. Mind y'all, this is not my fan. This is my sister's fan, and I stole it. Shh, y'all gotta know about that. It's our secret, okay? But yeah, I stole it. So from then, I just went ahead and put the wig on, and I did not put as much as foundation, due to the fact because when I have foundation on my wigs and I want to wash them, they tend to dirty the hair even more. Like the products that's in it, they tend to, like, you know, stain it, and you know, I can't stand it. So I just left it on the middle part that I was going to do, but right after then I changed it. So from here, I'm just putting my glue on, and it was Erica J glue. Oh, bless you, girl. Listen, that wig glue right there is a saver. Okay? So yeah, basically I just did that. I did the little dot motion and stuff. Waited for it to dry up, and I think I did about 2 to 3 layers, I want to say. And I went ahead and installed it for y'all. Mind y'all, I said I did not have my scissors, so I had to use my razor. So from this part, I just went ahead and just cut 3 little slots so I can lay my hair down. And basically, I didn't have a mirror in front of me, so I was literally depending on my phone to make sure that I was positioning everything right. So yeah, I made sure that I used the tip of the comb just to lay these hair down. And yeah, I think I had let the glue dry way too, like dry up really quickly. I didn't quickly put it on there, so you will see me like putting the glue again, and then also spraying it down once more again so I can have it melted. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so from then and there, I went ahead and curled my hair off camera, and as you guys can see, I did it in the middle part. The next clip will show you basically a side part, y'all. The reason why I did not complete the middle part is because the shape of my head, y'all, I have an egg-shaped head, and a middle part, it depends on how I pluck that middle and how well I really glue down the hair. But for me, I wasn't really feeling the middle part, so yeah. These curls were much more of like a loose wave type hair. Like I use my Vero, of course, and yeah. And then also off camera, you guys will see that I did do my makeup. Came back and I did my makeup. But yeah, this is basically just going to the end of the video. Basically.
I'll have the corporate office mail you a check.
I didn't mail my work up in here. You ain't finna mail me no shit.
Alright, y'all, so you guys can see that I was watching Medea play, and I believe it was Medea Family Reunion. Oh my gosh, look at that girl, y'all. But no, was it Family? It was Class Reunion, y'all. It was Class Reunion. But yeah, this is basically the end, coming up to the end, and I did do baby hairs. I only did one at that time because I had to get ready for work. And then I came back the next day and I did the other side, of course. Y'all did not have one of those the 1.5 inch flat irons, so I just did to my best ability. But here is my hair. The link about the hair will be in the description. Everything that I use will be in the description. I hope you guys like this video and love this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Y'all have a blessed one though.